In this video, we're going to show you to perform the brake bleeding process on your Kia Sorento. Now we're going to go ahead and use an evacuation tool here. You can use a turkey baster if you want to, but we need to go ahead and evacuate as much fluid from the master cylinder reservoir as possible. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. We have a container on the side to go ahead and pull this out and put it into. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, brake fluid is corrosive, so you want to prevent this from getting all over other pieces and parts. Use a clean funnel. And then add the appropriate fluid necessary. Make sure you're right at that full mark. Put your cover on. Now we're going to go ahead and start our brake bleeding process. Now we have all four of our wheels off, and we're going to start at the right rear. Then we're going to proceed to the left front. At that point there, we're going to top off our master cylinder and then go to the left rear and end with the right front. Now we have someone inside the vehicle to go ahead and assist us while doing this process. We have a fluid bottle over here to catch the fluid from our bleeding process here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this cap. We have our 10mm wrench to go ahead and open up our bleeder screw. So we're going to put this on here. Now at this point, we're going to go ahead and have the person inside the vehicle go ahead and pump up that brake pedal about 3 to 4 times and hold pressure. Go ahead.
Holding.
While they're holding that there, I'm going to go ahead and open up the bleeder screw. And they're going to let me know once that pedal hits the floor, and we can watch the fluid and air come through. And we can see all the air bubbles in there, and that's what we're trying to evacuate. And we're going to repeat this process until we have a steady stream of fluid coming out. Go ahead.
Holding. Floor.
Go ahead. That last one has some good solid fluid coming through. And that's perfect. That's what we're looking to get here. We want to close this up, remove our drain port here. Now, if you happen to leak any brake fluid here, you want to go ahead and give that a spray with some spray solvent, clean that up, and then put on your cap. Let's go ahead and move to the left front wheel. Go ahead and open up your reservoir. Use a clean funnel. And then add the appropriate fluid necessary. Good, remove that funnel. Put that cover back on. Now here we are at the left front. We're gonna go ahead and pull off our rubber cap. Now if you don't have this rubber cap, it's not critical to the operation of the braking system. I'm gonna go ahead and put our bottle on here. All right, go ahead and pump it up.
Holding. Floor.
Go ahead.
Holding. Floor.
Go ahead. Now you can see we have a solid stream of fluid coming out, no air bubbles. We'll probably do this one more time.
Floor.
And this one here is perfect, so snug that down. Release this. Once again, if you have excess fluid dripping out, go ahead and spray that down with some solvent. Wipe it down and then put your cap on. And then we're going to continue this process. We're now going to move to the left rear, which is the driver's side rear, and then wrap up on the right front. Open up the cap. Now at this point here, you just want to go ahead and top that off. Make sure you're right at that full mark. Put your cover on. Now at this point here, you want to hop into the vehicle. Pump up that brake pedal. You want to make sure that brake pedal goes to the floor and it's really comfortable. If it is soft and squishy, you want to go ahead and repeat the brake bleeding process again. At that point there, install your wheels and go for a road test. You should be all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.